If you have a gram-positive bacteria, which obviously you would look at your morphological characteristics to look at that. So you would say gram stain would be either gram-positive or gram-negative. If you have a gram-positive bacteria, this is the video that you're going to want to watch. So the first thing is you're going to go down this chart and you're going to go, you're just going to follow this. It's called a flow chart or a separation outline. I'm sorry. And you'll see if you have rods or cocci, and you'll just simply follow it down to wherever it takes you. You either have a gram-positive rod or a gram-positive cocci. And I have two other separation outlines depending on whether you end up here in group 1 or whether you end up here in group 4 or group 6. You already know because this is all the same thing. This Streptococcus enterococcus is the same bacteria. Streptococcus was the old name for that group. Now it's called enterococcus. Anyway, so if you ended up here in group 6 or in group 1, I hand drew another separation outline. So let's go over that really quick. So you're going to see here I hand drew this separation outline because frankly, I didn't want to have to try to figure out how to do this on the computer. So this is if you ended up in group 1 bacillus. Now you look at your VP test, and based on your VP test, you're either going to be negative or positive. If you're negative, you're going to end up with Bacillus megaterium. If you're positive, you're either one of these two, and then you're going to look at your acid from mannitol. You'll figure that out, and then you'll either be Bacillus cereus or Bacillus subtilis, and that's your unknown, okay? If you ended up as a gram-positive cocci, you're going to end up in group 6, so it's going to be either Micrococcus or Staphylococcus, and then here we have to talk about the color of the colonies. So if your colonies were yellow or pink, which I would have told you if they were or weren't, you would either be Micrococcus luteus or roseus. If your colonies were white or cream, and I would have told you that, then you probably would have ended up in the Staphylococcus group. And then you have to look at your acid from mannitol, and if you had positive, your Staph aureus, and if you had negative, your Staph epidermidis, and that's all you have to do.